judgment. Yeah.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the petitioner herein are the service provider who are security agencies who provide service to all the government and non-government organizations. My lord, for being here non-tribal, other than the regular license, he has to obtain a trade license under the regulation of 1954 and rules of 59. My
Yes.
lord, that is United Khasi Jointa Hills, trading by
Have you
non-tribals.
served notice on them?
My lord?
Who's appearing? You're here for this counsel. Have you received a copy of the petition?
Yes, Your Lordship. Actually, Mr. Shangresho will be appearing for this case.
Where's the Shangresho?
So I'm not.
You get him? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
My lord, my lord, for every, other than the regular license, every work has to be given a different trade license under the regulations.
Okay, yes.
And that trade license is subject to the work order issued by for every NIT, my lord.
Yes.
For
Yes.
every NIT, I am doing other businesses of the security agency to other reasons. A new NIT was issued on page 41, your lordship will find.
Yes.
National Institute of Technology Meghalaya issued a notice inviting quotations, and my lord, page 45, your lordship will find clause number 3. The agency must have a valid trade license issued by the Khasi Hills Autonomous Council, such and such, under the Regulation 54 and Rules 59. So, my lord, I will have to furnish a valid trade license, which indicates that I am having a business of the similar nature in the state of Meghalaya, of a valid trading license of other businesses. So, my lord, I have given my NIT at page 82, your lordship will find. 81, 82. At page 82, your lordship will find, this is where I have submitted the work, that name of the license or managing director, dated 21/10/25, Northeastern Security Service Mess, type of business, providing service to number of security guard and 3 number of sweepers, Lycota Peak, such and such and such. These are the previous license which I submitted that. Thereafter, my lord, at page 84, your lordship will find, the work order was issued to me
Okay.
on 10/12/2025. Your lordship has got it. And my lord, after the work order was given to me, at page 92, I applied for a fresh trading license. Page 92.
Yes.
And through an email at page 1994. 93, 94.
Okay.
My lord, now at page 110, this order comes over. To the person, petitioners, that reference to the institute order such and such, providing security to Meghalaya. In this connection, it is informed that Khasi intimated to the authority of this institute that the trading license dated 28/6/25 issued by such and submitted by your firm such and such to secure the aforesaid mentioned contract was issued only for providing the security service to KB Lycor, Upper Shillong, and not for NIT Meghalaya.
We're reading from?
Well, at page 109,
Oh, you said
Annexure 9.
Yes. Yes.
First paragraph, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, was only issued for such and such, not on NIT, which does become contentious authority, and the such authority has stated they will not issue trading license in favor of such and such henceforth. Thus, the issue may not be regularized. And the third paragraph, you are therefore called upon to confirm the position within 24 hours from the date and time of receipt of notice, work order, such and such and such in favor of shall not be terminated, including forfeiture of your security for the lapse of on your part. Then, my lord, page 110, where it has stated in second paragraph that trading license issued to the non-tribal trader, including individual firm or company from within or outside the state, is by mentioning the type of business with reference to the work order.
Yeah.
So, my lord, while submitting an NIT, it is not possible for me to submit a trade license of the non-tribals because it is in reference to the work order. And your lordship is well aware of work orders are issued after the NIT is complete and I am selected and I have given the work order. And my lord, at page 94 also I have applied for that I have already placed before your lordship. And now at page 111, your lordship will find. This is to inform you that the office of contract awarded to the security agency such and such has been done in a fraudulent manner, that they have expressed their mind. The certificate submitted by securities to your institute is meant only for Kendriya Vidyalaya Laikor.
Yes, yes. Who's appearing for state? This council? Yes.
We are only a formal party, Your Lordship.
It is formal party, yes.
Respondent number 1.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 5 and 6, that is National Institute of Technology,
Yes.
because we followed the due procedure. My Lordship
No,
may
yes, we
kindly.
understand. Your trading license, it is 21-10-25,
No.
just for KV Lightcore.
But that I have placed in there.
Let's see your earlier trading license.
My lord, earlier, that was in the NIT I have expressed that, my lord.
No, where's the earlier trading license?
Other telling sir?
Where have you next it?
Page 82,
This one.
my lord.
License trading, so this is issued on
Page 2110-25. Valid up to, my lord, 31/3/2036.
right. It's a point so. Yes, open to the council. Where Mr. Chamreso? Yes, got Mr. P.K. Chaudhary. Not counsel for the petition. What's happened to the? Have you settled the contract with someone else?
Yeah, no, we have not. My Lordship may kindly refer page number 81.
Yeah.
So, a generic order has been, note has been given to us that the license is valid till 31/3/2026.
Yes.
So, based upon that, because we wanted to establish the credibility of the individual, whether he is eligible to get this trade license or not. So, that was the condition.
Why is a blanket? Why blanket ban on them being granted trade license? But the matter is still pending consideration.
No, but what my Lordship, based upon this page 81, we have finalized the contract we have given to the petitioner. But now after that, my Lordship may kindly refer.
When does the contract commence from?
From 1st January.
1st January.
1st January.
They already put the people in place.
Yeah, because the traditionally what we have been done, because NIT is means
down this.
10 years old.
Actually, counsel with the petitioner.
Roy Chaudhary, my lord.
Sorry,
Big
sir.
my lord.
Yes, sir. Issue notice. MST Yangi B. Leonard AG is present on behalf of 1 and 2.
Only one, Your Lordship. The second one is municipal.
1. What is Ketil Government Municipality? Yeah, you'll be there. Whatever it is. What department doesn't exist, I think, anyway. For 1 and 2, though it is noted that perhaps respondent number 2 is not a correct nomenclature. Stop next MSPS number is present on behalf of 3 and 4 and Mr.
Dr. R.P. Acharya.
Dr. R.P. Acharya, present on behalf of respondent 5 and 6, as such notice complete all respondents. Stop the grievance with petitioners with the rejection of the application for trading license from the KHADC. Stop. Submit with the rejection of the training application for trading license. Stop. Mr. Roy Chaudhary has submitted that the petitioner has secured a contract, providing security services to the respondents number 5 and 6. But however, on applying for the same trading license, the same has been rejected by the respondents number 3 and 4. Which is the order?
My lord, page
110.
10. Page 11, 111, my lord.
by order dated
23/1/2026.
23/1/2026, and that they've also been asked to show cause.
My lord.
Yes, as to why.
So, because we have made reply and they have not renewed my license as well.
And we already been asked to show cause for which replies have been filed. Stop. At this stage, what is your prayer?
Well, at this stage, my prayer is that, my lord, they may not terminate my contract, and that the earlier.
At this stage, Mr. Roy Chaudhary prays that due to the situation prevailing, wherein he has not been able to furnish the trading license as yet to settle with the work contract, the same may not be terminated by the respondents number 5 and 6.
And 3 and 4, my lord. 5 and 6, 5 and 6.
Yes.
My lord, another issue is there because the earlier trade license was up to 31/3. If they don't renew it, because after show cause, then it will automatically.
That's not a subject matter of this.
My lord, here we have made a prayer. At least they may reply to the before 31.
Let them come with instructions. It's still now it's the 23rd.
My lord, because in the impugned order they have said, and more the Khasi Autonomous Council will henceforth not entertain for further trade license. That is at page 111, last paragraph.
Though he has been settled with the works contract, yes. Huh? Come on, time. Oh. As hasn't been punishment, to settle with the work contract, yeah. No. It is the same will be terminated by the respondents number
5 and
6. It's further submitted that by the impugned order, I have already remarked on that. Have also observed that the application shall not be entertained. The application of the petitioner henceforth shall not be entertained. So, he therefore prays for some interim protection at this stage. MSPS Nongri for respondents number 3 and 4 prays that she may be allowed to obtain specific instructions on the matter of the same is allowed. This matter after, can you take it after 1 week? This matter after 1 week in the interim is provided that the petitioner should not be disturbed in this operation, till the next date.
obligement.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Allow me to appear in virtual mode.
What's the
The
case?
petitioner is the unfortunate they lost their job. They participated in the selection process. Year 2000, Malodi, in terms of the advertisement on 10th December 2008 in the assistant teacher in lower primary. Malodi, that selection and appointment of the petitioner was challenged.
Your tainted candidates, the same matter. You are Mr. A.K. Chaudhary. That was
Yes, yes.
issue notice returnable in
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
any private respondents? No. Returnable in 3 weeks. Stop. Next para Mr. N.D. Shriler, AAJ with Mr. E.R. Khan present on behalf of all the respondents. No further notice required. It's list after 3 weeks.
Apply, Lord.
Where's the next year?
Grateful.
3.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 3.
You be there.
Okay. Yes. Where's the petitioner?
Mr. Peter Changma, Your Lordship. Can you pass this?
Yes, with the petitioner.
With His Lordship, before I make submission, I would just like to take you to the Lordship the order passed by the division bench in Para.
Admission hearing for orders.
This is admission hearing, Lordship.
For Yes.
Para 9, para 8, 9, 10 and 12, Your Lordship. I have in my report reply, I have filed, Your Lordship, that is in.
Where reading from the summary?
Your Lordship, page 15, my Lord. Page 15. Yes, the report, Your Lordship.
Where's the report?
This is the affidavit in reply, which I have filed it on 4th November 2025, as per the order from the division bench, Your Lordship. So here, Your Lordship, just want to make it the matter more clear. Just read it, the para 9 of the judgment, Your Lordship.
Of the report?
It is judgment from the division bench, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, it is that page 18. In view of the para 15 of the impugned judgment, which after accepting the report has directed the proceeding to be initiated as per the law against Sri Nurul Amin, and it is likely to visit the appellant with the civil criminal consequences in our view. The appellant is entitled to respond to the said report before any decision could be arrived at against him in the writ proceeding. On the limited issue that the appellant was entitled to an opportunity to file an exception affidavit to the inquiry report and to argue the matter in relation to the findings against him in the said report, we allowed the appeal and set aside the impugned judgment only limited to the decision direction contained in para 15.1. We make it clear that we have not gone through so Lordship. Now I will make it para 10. Well, just para 10. Registry is directed to supply an authenticated copy of the report 2107/2023 submitted to the court and at the time of disposal of the writ petition within 1 week from the date of the appellant writ petitioner. It is open to the appellant writ petitioner to file an exception to the said report within fortnight thereupon prior to service to the learned counsel for the state. Now, Your Lordship, on the basis of this order, Your Lordship, I have filed it within the time frame within this the affidavit in reply to the report submitted by the state respondent. That is, I have filed on 4th November 2025. Now, Your Lordship, basically, Your Lordship, the report was submitted, Your Lordship, by the state government on 21st July 2023. Now, Your Lordship, as per the order, Your Lordship, there from the single bench.
What have you objected to?
Now, Lordship, what happened? We are. Yes, this is the actually my affidavit, my Lord. This.
File on 4/11/25.
Lordship.
What do you have to say?
Now here I'm stating some few points in the report.
You can't reopen the case. It's only regarding directions. The directions contain 15.1.
Yes, Sir, Lord.
There's no question reopening the case on other merits.
It is only on 15, my lord.
Only 15.
Yes, Lordship.
Have you replied 15.1?
Yes, 15. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. I have para 15.
Let's see where's the single bench judgment?
15.1. This may read the 15 relevant para.
Where's the single bench judgment?
Single bench judgment. I have the single bench judgment is on single bench judgment. There is on 24/11/2023.
Okay.
24/11/2023.
Very good.
I go to the
15.1.
15, Lordship.
Yes.
May I just read it, Your Lordship?
Yes.
In reply, don't as such without lingering.
Yes.
As such, without lingering or dwelling any longer on facts, the claim and counterclaim of the parties individually in this batch of writ petition, the same are disposed of with the following direction. 15.1. As Sri Nurul Amin has been found not to be a teacher occupying a sanctioned post and terminated from service on 9 February 2021, as per the resolution of the same, and further having indulged in disruptive activities such as filing of fabricated document which has dislocated the functioning of the school as recorded in report. Appropriate action as per relevant rules and in accordance with law, both civil and criminal shall be initiated against him, both by the managing committee as well as by district school education officer, West Karwi Hills, within a period of 8 weeks from the date of this order. Lordship, in this regard, in my reply, Your Lordship, I have mentioned in my affidavit reply to this one.
Which paragraph?
Yes, Lordship. Uh, 6. Para 10, page 10, sub para 11, Lordship, 11. That is
page 9 to 11.
Page
11. Page 10 is 12.
There is a I have make a paragraph 1, then after that I make it page in my reply page 10, my lord, page 10.
Okay.
11. I just read it at 11. That in response to the para 14-15 of SA report, that is a report where they have indicated that I have terminated on the basis of where this learned single bench has passed an order that para 15
The order was
that one.
passed on the basis of what?
Yes, on that basis of that, on the basis of the report.
Then?
Therefore, I am replying to the report. And now, this is the report. This is my reply to the report, Your Lordship. The inquiry report stated that the SMC have terminated the service of Nurul Amin after giving an opportunity to reply and to justify his alleged deed of omission and commission. In this respect, the deponent begged to state that Nurul Amin had never been terminated by SMC from his service, and moreover, at that point of time, he is one of the existing member of SMC. Therefore, it is impossible and unacceptable to believe that SMC have terminated his service without his knowledge, wherein he himself was the ex officio member of SMC of Ketadua. It is further stated that there was no so-called notice or any departmental proceeding against Nurul Amin. The inquiry report never enclosed a copy of the alleged termination order. Therefore, statement made in the inquiry report is totally incorrect and unsustainable that with regards to submission of alleged fake document, the deponent had in the above mentioned para, that is in the annexure 7 and 8, it is further stated that at that point of time, Nurul Amin was SMC ex officio member from 2018 to 2022. This is the reply to the report submitted by the state government. They have alleged that I was terminated, but whereas they have never issued any
inquiry report is
Your Lordship, the inquiry report. Where's this report? The page 14 and 15 of the inquiry report, my lord.
This is a fact.
This is the inquiry report submitted on 20.
Yes.
First July. May I take lordship to the page 15, my lord?
Take from 14, read from paragraph 4.
Yes. It is also seen from the record that Sri Nurul Amin was found to be embezzling SSC fund, and it did not either take step to reply to the allegation nor justify his course of action.
See?
His action during his term as a convener.
See, what does it say? His action during the term convener has further exacerbated the situation.
Yes,
at the same time, the SME terminated services allowed him sufficient opportunity to reply and justify alleged omission commission. Rather than replying to a show cause issued to him by the new then SMC, he chose to challenge authority officials, also instead of inquiring so non-cooperative inquiry proceedings that by raising sufficient suspicions that act against the rules. Lack submitting even fake documents substantiate his claim and make the matter serious. So what case do you have? Why didn't you take part in inquiry when they issued you notice at that time? You didn't have anything to say?
This is that inquiry.
Dismissing your your application.
Your Lordship, actually regarding to the non...
See, we've seen your reply. You say that, in respect, beg to state that was never terminated, is impossible. Where is it for no show cause notice or any against Nurul Amin? You were show cause.
Your Lordship, that part I'm denying.
Is he here?
He's not here, Lordship. They have never issued even the termination letter.
Very heavy cost, Mr. P.T. Sangma, to take instructions.
Lordship.
We asked him a pointed question, whether he replied or did he take part in inquiry. Yes, Mr. Shulai.
Lordship, in fact, Your Lordship, now also a false statement has been made, Your Lordship. If Lordship kindly have page 4 of the present application affidavit, Your Lordship, at 2I, Your Lordship. At page 4, Your Lordship, of the affidavit in reply.
Take part also, and then you come back and file.
Lordship. If Lordship kindly have a page 4. Page 4. That is 2I, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Towards the bottom, Your Lordship, it is stated that Nurul Amin was the senior most teacher, and moreover, the resolution.
Page 4?
Lordship. Page 4, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, towards the bottom,
yes,
it is stated that Nurul Amin was the senior most teacher, and moreover, the resolution mentioned dated so is not approved by the joint MC. Therefore, appointment to see so and so is highly illegal and not tenable in law. Then, Lordship, kindly have page 14 of the writ petition.
See, Mr. Shulai, we're just limiting ourselves to the allowance given by the division bench for him to question.
Lordship, just to show that even now in the reply also a false statement has been made, Your Lordship.
He's on thin ice, Mr. Sangma.
Page 14, Your Lordship, of the writ petition.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly see,
yes,
as per resolution number so and so of the school so and so, the appointment of Shri Shrimati Shobhusa Begum BSc pass in so and so is provisional approved. In the statement, Your Lordship, not approved, Your Lordship. This is clear case of false statement, Your Lordship. Then,
yes, how he made the statement? Same order 28.
Then another. What is the relief claim in the writ petition? Lordship, kindly have.
This was filed by Nurul Amin, this writ petition.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly see.
No, we can't go to the writ petition now, Mr. Shulai. That's already.
No, done. Just to
take instruction. Otherwise, you'll face heavy costs, Mr. Sangma.
Because it's a clear case
the
of.
Report, if you made a reply, the report says very clearly that they had an inquiry, you refused to cooperate, and then on top of that, you try to file fabricated documents.
Lordship, yes.
Your case. Just giving one opportunity. Yes, Mr. P.T. Some praise allowed to obtain instructions just after 2 weeks of life. That's a big matter. Otherwise, you'll have heavy costs.
Item number 4.
Yes.
Same, Your Lordship.
Most blessed Lordship.
5.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we pray for 2 weeks' time. We are yet to receive instruction from the department.
Motion.
Yes, you are Mr.
F. Barrett.
F. Barrett. Please phones allowed for the 2 weeks instructions. You are with P. Bhattacharjee.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, this are 2 weeks. Interim orders to continue. If any.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
6.
Your Lordship. Lordship, as per this direction, we were supposed to obtain instruction, Your Lordship.
So, as per the last order, Your Lordship had directed the election petitioner to seek instructions as to whether they want to continue.
Want to pursue or not?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly let the matter come up tomorrow. Yes, Your Lordship.
Where's the application?
Lordship,
This is an election petition. You can any prayer you made to be allowed, you have to file an application. Put in an application.
Lordship.
Not tomorrow. After 1 week. Put an application.
Lordship.
7.
May it be, Your Lordship, but I am appearing for the petitioner in this case, my lord.
I'm praying for, my lord, 4 weeks time to file my reply, my lord, in this matter, because I have received an opposition on the last week, my lord.
Your Lordship.
4 weeks time to reply, my lord.
You have to file, you file your affidavit
Yes, Your Lordship.
when?
Yes, my lord.
It was filed on 13 March 2026.
Now is 20th, okay. You are Mr. Alam.
G. Alam, my lord,
Yes.
for the
Mr.
petition.
Alam, please for the allowed 2 weeks time for rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent. This thereafter also. Yes.
8.
May I pray for a date, my lord?
Did you ask your local council to get the date?
8.
Yes, my lord. Okay, obliged, my lord.
May I, Lordship?
1 second, Mr. Kumar.
Item number 8, my lord, pertains to the clerical cadre, my lord, in Assam Rifle against the order dated 28th March 2025, my lord, which has not been complied till date, my lord, even though they have filed the SLP, which has also been dismissed, my lord.
What happened to review application, Dr. Mojika?
And
It hasn't filed with us on instruction.
Review? You can't.
Some
When
more
you
time.
comply? How many people are involved here?
611, my lord.
In the one case 600, there are some more.
There was cipher?
No, it's a clerk.
Clerical type, my lord.
What to do? When are you going to comply?
Once 4 weeks, we'll see.
Will you give them 3 weeks time?
My lord.
If nothing comes up in Supreme Court, then yes, on the period of time, Mojika as a review petition filed before the Supreme Court still pending consideration this after 3 weeks.
9.
Deeply, lordship.
Lordship. This is the contempt petition, my lord. On the last occasion,
You
they have
filed
filed
affidavit?
Yes, sir.
they have filed affidavit. Your lordship, I need to get the instruction from the lordship because this I have till now I have not received the pension and other benefit, lordship, because they said all this.
We have categorically explained, my lord, because
They said that it is only paper.
my lord, the matter is before the government, my lord, and the regularization, my lord, the cabinet approval is required. So from our side, whatever is required, my lord, we have sent it to the government.
And who's the responsible person?
My lord, kindly see, my lord, here, my lord,
We make a party on
contempt was filed against the director and the SDSU, my lord. Now, there, as these officials, my lord, they have already undertaken whatever is necessary on their part, my lord.
So, Mr. Sama?
In fact, my lord, para 7, page 3, 7 onwards, my lord, we have categorically explained.
He was regularized when?
No, my lord, his regularization is pending, my lord. That will only happen, yes, that will only happen after the cabinet approval.
But it didn't come the batch of the first.
No, my lord, there a couple of names have been sent, my lord. So altogether, the cabinet will sit on it, my lord. So it is with the finance, and then it will be placed with the.
Yes, it is given within preferably within 2 months because they are responsible, my lord. Because
No, not at all, my lord. My lord will kindly see. We have promptly written to the government. Whatever was required from our side, we have already moved the file forward, my lord.
Yes,
now the order was on 19. They have only after filing this on June only.
But there's point showing that steps from the part of the respondent 1 and 2 have been taken, but the matter is pending consideration before the personnel department.
No, that it is with the finance. Then it will be placed before the cabinet.
Department, that is finance and personnel. Yes,
and then it will be
so much at liberty to impede further necessary respondents.
Lordship.
You so advise, yes. Just about 2 weeks.
Most blessed, lordship.
10.
Lordship, I am bringing Lordship if this matter can be taken up tomorrow, Lordship. Learned serious some difficulty, Lordship, today, Lordship.
Tomorrow is I'm having difficulty, because this matter, then nothing survives in this matter. Lordship has seen in
I'm
detail.
praying, Lordship, it
entire
can be
matter.
taken tomorrow, Lordship. Some difficulty, Lordship, on the part
Tomorrow
of.
I'm difficulty. Tomorrow I'm having difficulty.
1 week.
Tomorrow I'm having because
On the premise of Chandan.
11.
You examine it, you examine it as a fructuous.
Meghalaya medical problem.
May I please, Your Lordship, the matter,
Yes,
my lord.
Mr. San.
2-3, as per the order 2-3-2026, the respondent's GHADC has to file affidavit on board.
We'll file it, my lord.
Course of the day.
Not course of the day, my lord. I have the difficulty because a secretary has changed. So he is going
Secretary
to.
change again?
No, my lord. That, where my lord's
Only
order.
CM change?
No, my lord's order, when the secretary was removed and a new secretary, we have put a.
Give him some more time.
Give some more time.
Yes, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
I was allowed.
My lord.
Affidavit.
Highly obliged.
12.
Yes, Mrs. Kumar. Already file affidavit.
Please, Your Lordship, affidavit is filed. There's also an impleadment application from pleading the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, since they
By the petitioner.
by us, Lordship.
It's not necessary, Lordship. I'll be filing my objection because they're filing under section 151 of the CPC. It's not also applicable. That way, section 226.
Lordship, the reason is because the compensation was paid through the Autonomous District Council, so they
They are not
are
a
a necessary party,
because,
Lordship.
You file your objection.
Yes, Lordship, I'll file it.
Miss case 34/2026 in WC 168 is an application by the respondent number
2 and 3, Lordship.
2 and 3 for impleadment of the GHADC.
GHADC.
As party respondent number 5, the same objective to by Mr. P.C. Salman, which responds allowed 1 week's time to put in an objection.
Lordship.
Yes. This case after 1 week or 2 weeks?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks together with the main case, yes.
Lordship.
Grateful, Lord.
Most blessed, Lordship.
13.
Lordship, this matter is fixed for affidavit by the District Council
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, my lord.
and for appearance of the private respondents. They
You
are not
appear today? You are appearing? Who's appearing? 4, 5 and 6?
I'm appearing only for 1, 2, 3, my lord.
private respondents.
4, 5 and 6 of whom?
The private
The private
respondents.
respondent, not my
It's a Nokma matter?
Yes.
Not my matter.
When were these served?
And affidavit.
You filed an affidavit?
Yes, my lord. It has been filed. The date of delivery was
You
6th
filed
of
service,
November.
when did you file your service affidavit?
I've already filed. It was filed on 8th of December. 8th of December it was filed. The affidavit indicating factum of service. Last year. 8th of December.
I think you take fresh steps.
My lord,
Today also there's no appearance on behalf of respondents 4, 5 and 6. Even though they were stated to be served as far back as on
Yes. 6/11/2025.
6/10/2025. So, as their presence necessary for proper adjudication, the petitioner is directed to take fresh steps on the said respondents. This after 2 weeks.
14. 14.
Yes.
It's been completed.
Matter, my lord.
Yes, already added.
Yes.
Correct.
No, my lord, the formal order has to be passed, my lord.
It's already there.
That day, your lordship.
See,
Yeah.
see the order. During the judgment order did so pass, which is right to make the addition to the court title. It's already there.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
They made additions.
Yes,
So, my lord,
history is indirectly to take steps.
my lord, it has to be kept
Yes.
for hearing, my lord, on this matter. Because the issue is whether civil Agra Assam Civil Court Act has been extended to the state of Meghalaya or not.
So, Lordship, they completed because they wanted to file an affidavit. State wanted to file an affidavit.
Yes.
We'll file a detailed affidavit. We'll file a
Yes.
detailed.
Pursuant to the order dated 5/3/2026, passed in MC WC number 33/2026, the State of Meghalaya through Chief Secretary and the Department of Law through its Commissioner Secretary have been impeached on 4 and 5. Mr. Lilith, who is present on behalf of these two respondents, also praised that You allowed 2 weeks time to file an affidavit.
Counterfeit.
Prayers are allowed this up to 2 weeks.
15,
Lordship, I've received affidavit by respondent 1 to 4.
All are filed. 6.
Yeah, I have not filed.
Why?
We're waiting for the affidavit by discounsel, Your Lordship.
Approval?
The affidavit by discounsel.
You already filed it, correct?
I filed my affidavit.
Then?
So we'll address their allegation against our Lordship.
So, Lordship, item 15 pertains to deforestation of that forest.
This is item number
15.
This is 15 years.
Lordship. So, in 15, I've already filed my affidavit.
I've received, Your Lordship. I pray I may file rejoinder in the meantime.
Yeah, Mr. Sinkram, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner, please allow to file affidavit of rejoinder to the affidavit filed by respondent 1 and 5. So, here, Mr.
FL Kha, Lordship.
Mr. F. Kha pays for further 1 week's time to file affidavit of respondent number 6. This up to 2 weeks. Similar for rejoinder and for the affidavit one number 6.
Lordship, in item 16, I have an objection.
Objection to?
Because they have challenged the notification whereby Tharmandri village has been notified under Ilaka Nartiang, Lordship. Now that order has not been challenged by the petitioners. They have only challenged the notification, Lordship. So
the order is there on record.
Order is there, Lordship.
You have got the order with you.
It's enclosed to the counter affidavit, Lordship.
Your Lordship, the petition is actually based on the RTI as per the information received by the PIO. So it was filed.
Lordship, can you see the prayer, Lordship? 536.
No, see, what he's saying is that whatever represent directed against whatever they received in the RTI reply.
Can you see the prayer at page 20, Lordship?
MP notification.
MP notification. This is only an offshoot.
23, 125 and 25, 125.
This is only an offshoot of an order passed by the EC. Now that EC order has not been challenged by them. So they'll have to challenge that order as well.
Order?
Can you come to my affidavit? My affidavit at page 46. There was a detailed hearing. Proceedings were conducted.
Yes, Mr. Sinkram. You take instructions.
Seek instructions.
Whether you withdraw and file afresh or you. Yes, Mr. Amal Numpur at the outset has raised an objection that the order dated 20th January 2025 passed by the Executive Committee JHDC is not under challenge, but only the notification that emanated therefrom. Like Mr. G. Sinkram, Leonard Counsel, please allow to obtain instructions in this regard. This up to 2 weeks together with the other matter.
Obliged.
17.
Lordship, item 17 pertains to creation of a village. They have sought a prayer for creation of a village, Lordship. Now the Doloi, who is the competent authority for issuance of the recommendation, he has not been made a party to these proceedings. That is one submission. Second submission, Your Lordship, they belong to a parent village. Now that parent village is also not before Your Lordship. So let them take steps, Your Lordship, because they are necessary parties to the proceedings.
Instruction, Lordship.
How Mr. Shilar made these mistakes?
That's why we are not able to file the affidavit, Lordship, because the Doloi has conducted its inspection report as well.
Yes, Mr. Yes, you appearing for the Doloi?
No, Lordship. I'm for the respondent 5. Respondent 4.
Okay, you file your affidavits?
Yet to file, my lord.
You have who's for 4?
I'm for 4.
And you have for them 3?
Yes.
Okay. Why have you made this number 3 by name?
Lordship, she's
alleging Malafide.
Yes, there's an allegation. Some Malafide allegation against her.
Against the AO, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Anongpur submits that affidavit cannot be filed as much as necessary parties, namely the Doloi.
The Doloi.
Doloi of Ileka Juwai
Gotcha.
has not been made a party, who is a competent authority in granting recommendations for creation of villages. It is further submitted that
Caroline
the petitioners
Colony.
also belong from
Lordship, Dorbashnong Caroline Colony. Can he come at page 27, Lordship, of the writ petition?
that submitted that 27 years. Where is it, Caroline?
Can you come to page 36? That will have the history of the petitioner's application. Page 36, paragraph 3, Your Lordship. Paragraph 3. This locality firstly settled by late so-so-so. With the growing numbers of residents in the years 1990, the residents at that point of time affiliate with the Pakantine colony, presently known as Darbar Shanong Caroline colony, since they affiliated themselves with that village. The applicant means the petitioner.
Now you stay in which locality?
Separate, Lordship.
Then what about this Darbar Shanong Caroline?
They fall under that Caroline colony, Your Lordship.
So are they necessary party?
They should be. Because we have received objections from them as well against the creation.
They
have objected. They have objected. They have objected. We'll seek instruction, Lord.
Belongs to Darbar Shanong Caroline colony.
No, chips.
Caroline. Caroline.
Caroline or Caroline?
Caroline. C-A-R-O-L-I-N.
C-R-O? It's pronounced Caroline or Caroline?
Caroline.
Caroline colony. But however, the Darbar Shanong also not made party stuff. Mr. F.N. Takhar, next paragraph, please are allowed to obtain instructions. Yes, up to 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Obliged.
18.
I'm waiting for instruction, my lord.
2 weeks. By the time it's been allowed for application.
19.
Yes, what developments are there?
The development, my lord, as of now, that we have not received anything further from what we have.
No, what about you are conducting the case? Why you making Mr. Thappa conduct it? Yes?
We are
Together. Co-conducting the case, okay. What happened to 1723?
Your Lordship, 17 and 23, they
are serving MDCs.
They are serving. They were elected before. There were some tenure that they have served as MDC. Then after that, they were not elected. Then this year they were elected again. Last year, sorry.
So what happens if they get elected now? They have only after the arrears as well.
Your Lordship, only
yes.
to the period. So you have to take instructions, Your Lordship.
So now, what do you want today?
Your
That's
Lordship,
all.
Your Lordship, for 17 and 23. And Your Lordship, for further payments, Your Lordship, because
that will be disbursed, Your Lordship. That will be disbursed, yes.
Yes, MSPS Nongri submits that the matter is under consideration for further disbursement of the arrear amounts payable to the petitioner since just after 2 weeks. For instructions there.
20.
Connected.
20 list together.
21.
Lordship, in this matter, I am entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 3, Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, I am entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 3, NHIDCL, Lordship. Their prayer is against the disbursal of compensation money, Lordship.
1 second. Your phone number 3?
Lordship, NHIDCL.
Yes, Mr. S. Pandey has an appearance today on behalf of respondent number 3. Such notice complete all respondents.
Complete, Lordship.
Yes, what about where's MS Lalu? 4 and 5? Yes. You're filing affidavit?
Yes, my lord, we will file the affidavit.
Already filed?
We'll file the affidavit in this matter. No, we will file, my lord. I'm
District Council? Yes, today as such service complete stop. Mr. Ranja for 4 and sorry, there's RP General for 4 and 5 and MSPS number 6. They follow out further 2 weeks time to file
Affidavit.
affidavits.
Affidavit in this matter.
Similarly for
That's number 3.
yes, to file affidavit within 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Interim orders then.
Interim orders, if any, to continue next date.
22.
Highly obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, this is pertaining to the stay order by the HDC without affording the
Lordship,
petitioner.
this is with regard to the suspension of the Sardar, Your Lordship, by the Basan.
Who's appearing for Imakhirim? We'll close the matter. We'll send it back.
So, Lordship.
Right, this is the matter regarding suspension of the Sardar by the Lingdo.
By the right, by the Lingdo,
not by the
right,
CM.
Right, the Moli, yes.
Yes, stick down. 50. The present petition have been filed sealing the stay of the suspension order dated 28/11/2025 issued against respondent number 6 C. Sukhya Nongrum. Who represents Sukhya Nongrum? Sukhya Nongrum, the suspended Sardar of Right Nongshken, and the appointment of an acting Sardar on 24/1/2026. But the entire dispute concerns the office of Sardar of Right Nongshken, wherein who made complaints against you, Mr. Kharkrang?
By the treasurer,
by which respondent?
petitioner,
Is he here?
petitioner,
By the petitioner.
petitioner.
Wherein on a complaint made by the petitioner, where's the order of suspension first? Where's the first order of suspension? Where you suspended by the right?
Suspension order is page number 60.
60?
Yes, 60.
Whereby?
60.
62, Your Lordship. 62.
No,
62?
60. 60 is Khasi in local Khasi version.
No, this is the receive of complaint.
No, 60.
By the petitioner, the Basan Right Mauli, the office of the Basan Right Mauli, stop, had suspended the respondent number 6. So you had filed a complaint before this EM, correct?
We had filed a complaint before
this EM.
Before CM. Later on,
before the respondent number
Number 5.
4, CM of Raj Hairim, the matter is taken up by the officer of Basan Right Mauli who suspended the respondent number 6. 6. Stop. Thereafter, the said respondent number 6 being aggrieved had approached the executive committee of the District Council, that is respondent number
1, 2 and 3, Your Lordship.
number
1, 2 and 3.
who by order dated
23rd February, Your Lordship.
23/2/2026
In political appeal case number 1 of 2026.
did the said suspension provide order dated 23/02/2026 passed in political appeal case number 1 of 2026. Stop. The petitioner therefore being aggrieved with the stay on suspension before this court, praying for appropriate orders. Stop. We want Mr. K.V. Kharindo, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the petitioner as treasurer
and the headman of the villages.
The petitioner, both of them are petitioners here.
Four or five petitioners.
Okay. The petitioner, along with 4 other. They are what office? The whole office.
They are headmen.
Along with 4 others who headmen of right function had approached the respondent number. CM Khairim is respondent number 4 with complaints against the respondent number 6, and that in course of the proceedings, the Lindo Abasan of Right Maule bracket respondent number 5 had suspended the respondent number 6. So, he however submits without any notice being issued to the petitioners. You're not heard before this council, correct?
No, Lordship, they are not a party.
Yes, without them being made party or them being heard, the said suspension order was stayed by the respondents number 1 and 3. Stop. MSPS Nongri, Learned Counsel 1, 2, and 3 submits that the respondent number 6, when approaching the executive committee of the district council, had not arrayed the petitioners as necessary parties, even with parties stop. She submits that in this circumstances that the impugn order was passed. Then EDCM appears for whom, right, Mole?
Yes, yes.
What do you have to say? Nothing.
That's
We have no objection.
Yes, and you no objection. Stop. The short point involved here now that arises now is whether the suspension order issued by Right Maule, which is right under the steamship, was correct, or whether it was a competent authority to issue such a suspension order. Stop. In this context, in this regard, approval of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District bracket, nomination, succession, and election of CM, deputy CM, and crowd so and so on to 24 would show that.
Section 21, Your Lordship.
21.
Yes, Your Lordship. Delegation of power is not given to the Basan, Your Lordship.
Yes. 21.
21, Your Lordship. This is page 36.
From the Act?
Yes, it's in the direct petition, Your Lordship.
A proposal of the Act would show that at section 21 thereof, which deals with the term of office, removal, and suspension of the Sardar, it's not right, wrong passion, it is found that he may be removed from office or suspended by the CM or acting CM and its equitable bar if he violates the conditions of his appointment or summon. In the instant case, it is seen and undisputed that the suspension order was passed by the Lingdo Right Maule, Lingdo stroke Basan Right Maule, which is an authority below the CM, and as such, by operation of the Act, could not have been delegated this authority. Stop. In this view, the matter, therefore, without entering into the other merits of the case and purely on its law point, the matter shall stand remanded back to the respondent number 4 for consideration in accordance with law.
Your Lordship, it's my humble prayer, like a time frame be given, Your Lordship.
Yes, we'll give time frame before in accordance with law, as much as the order of suspension, initial order of suspension, which was dated one, suspended fair is
suspension
by the Lindo.
By Lindo.
Dated 28/11, Your Lordship,
28/11/2025 was without jurisdiction and by authority that's incompetent to do this sort of stuff. Accordingly, as the parties present also do not object to the remand of the matter to the respondent number 4 for disposal. Accordingly, the matter is disposed of with directions that the complaints, not complaints, that the matter with disposed of, that the same be disposed of within a period of
2 weeks.
2 weeks impossible, within
Just,
2 months
is
from,
it just
from the
small-
date of receipt of a copy of this court order. Stop. Consequently, the impugn order dated that is the impugn order dated by the District Council is
23rd
to 2026, as also the order by the Right Mole dated so is hereby set aside. It's further directed that status quo shall be maintained as on today until the matters disposed of. Further orders are passed by respondent number 4.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Hearing 23.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, by Your Lordship's order dated 13th March, Your Lordship had directed the Deputy Secretary who had passed the order reconstituting the Managing Committee of
Yes.
Rai Bahadur to appear personally.
Yes,
Accordingly, Your Lordship, he had sent a letter to the department on the 16th asking them to send the Deputy Secretary. However, Your Lordship, we have been instructed that the Deputy has since retired, Your Lordship.
Let him come. We ask for him to
And so
appear.
the Secretary has, Under Secretary has come, Your Lordship.
Where's the Deputy Secretary?
There's no Deputy Secretary. She's retired, Your Lordship.
Now, who's holding the position now?
Nobody has joined us yet. She just retired recently.
On what basis was that order passed after the orders of this court had been, that they be heard before any orders were passed? Were you party to the passing of the order? We can't have this. You
Yes,
call
Your
someone
Lordship.
responsible, not under Secretary.
And this is the letter which we received from the department, Your Lordship. We had specifically asked for the Deputy Secretary, but we have received a letter that she has since retired. And to make
When
a,
did he retire?
I think when did
When?
January 2026.
They will drop sumo to contempt against her and let her appear and answer the charges.
Your Lordship, in fact, I was thinking, Your Lordship, this order which has been passed on her instructions can be set aside, Your Lordship, and the other order which had been passed by the...
No, we're not saying. See, whatever thing is the resolution of the matter. Now, after the matter was heard, some proposals were given. Orders for the court specifically say that
Yes,
after
Your
hearing
Lordship,
all the
we
parties.
concede to that,
Now,
Your
can you just over and above
Yes,
the
Your
direction of this
Lordship.
court? She has to answer.
No.
We'll drop sumo to contempt. We will ask her to appear. You have to go to jail. Let her go to jail. They'll know what it is. You can't. Everything's not accordance with law and as per law. This court also. We
No,
can't.
we
will not.
agree, Your
We'll not
Lordship.
condone or excuse any such thing. It's
Under
not very
what
simple. Very simple that you're going to retire. You pass some order.
Under what circumstances it was passed, we do not know, Your Lordship, because the officer
Under whose
concerned
duress?
is not there.
Under whose
Instructions of
advice?
behest.
Very unfortunate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because the order is very clear.
And accordingly, we had passed on the message to them, but she has since retired.
You ask her to appear. Whatever it is. We either will drop sumo to contempt. Where's that order passed by the under Deputy Secretary?
It is here, Your Lordship. Come here.
Absurd, really.
It is at page 31, Your Lordship, annexure 10. Order dated 29 July.
Annexure?
Annexure 10, page 31, Your Lordship.
Page 31.
Of our affidavit, Your Lordship, I'm sorry.
No, where did you point out last time? From the petition?
The order, I got the affidavit from the government.
We
It's
have
a
also got
page
it.
28. Page 20 is the order passed by the directors as per the...
As per the order of the court, Your
the
Lordship.
court.
Yes.
That was the correct order,
Correct
Your
order.
Lordship, but
And there
somehow it
No,
changed.
it's 29 July 2025. Yes.
Yeah, that is the one, Your Lordship, it changed.
On what basis was this finding arrived at?
Here we were heard, we filed
No,
show
heard
cause.
fine. Not. See, whatever one proposal had gone, fine. If they were to change it, something, it has to be done in accordance with law.
Yes.
And with the orders of the court. You have to
They have just said that
it has been
that since they are the owner of the land and building,
no,
Shri Marwari Panchayat has got the right to.
B. Marmanyang, Deputy Secretary, Government of Meghalaya Education Department, since retired, was the author of the order dated 29 July 2025, whereby though orders of this court had been passed that for reconstitution of the managing committee of the RBA Hindi Secondary School, interested parties who were in contest be heard, and though a proposal had been forwarded
by letter dated 26 May, Your Lordship.
By letter dated 26 May 2025, the same, it appears, was overlooked with total disregard to the orders of this court, and by arriving at the finding without hearing the parties had approved. The judge was approved this.
Yes.
Had approved
and they
had constituted and approved the managing committee on 13 August 2025.
Correct.
Stop. The court has taken serious note of this infraction, and short of taking up sumoto contempt proceedings, directs that the retired Deputy Secretary appear in this court on next date. 6 days. This after 1 week. We tell her to come.
Yes, Your
Can't have you just flouting the order.
Agreed.
If you have a problem, you will come again to the court and seek orders.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Senior counsel is on legs, Lordship. The matter
Who is the
will
senior
be V. Kumar.
He's senior counsel? Or senior
No,
colleague?
senior.
Yes.
My senior.
After 2 weeks.
After 1 week, Lordship. 2
weeks.
Highly obliged.
25.
Lordship, some accommodation will be granted, Lordship. Some accommodation will be granted.
Why, Mr. Deb? You're always ready with your matters. You're always ready, so we have to accommodate him. 2 weeks. Yeah. On the prayer, Mr. Be there this after 2 weeks.
26.
Lordship, this is that gratuity matter, Lordship, where the petitioner has served for 30 years, Lordship, in Don Bosco School. Lordship, learned senior has some personal difficulty, Lordship, today. Saying, Lordship, it can be taken up after a week, Lordship. He was supposed to be here today, but Lordship, due to some difficulty, Lordship, he should not be here, Lordship.
Why, due to Iran war? He's not here? No. All the time prayers. After 2 weeks, yes.
2 weeks. Obliged.
28.
Too much, really. This also similar prayer.
Lordship, in item number 28, Lordship, instructions were supposed to be taken by us, Lordship. However, Lordship, the instructions are with senior counsel, Lordship. So I'm praying this matter can be taken up tomorrow, Lordship. It's because only limited to the extent that whether that
Highly confidential, huh? Mr. Chanda, all the briefs, all the instructions.
Lordship, it is only limited
under
to
lock and key. That the court also can't proceed.
Disputed amount, Lordship, that we were supposed to take instructions. Tomorrow, Lordship, we'll have.
So please, the court saying tomorrow won't help.
For the relief, that is possible, my lord. There's some accepted amount, agreed amount, my lord, and some are disputed.
Accept that accepted amount.
Lordship, they are saying that 17 lakhs, Lordship, that is the accepted amount, Lordship.
You take it.
I was taken hesitate before civil court.
Difficulties, Lordship.
Never heard of the saying something's better than nothing.
Lordship.
Then
bow down, Lordship.
Or else they'll have to go to civil court for entire matter.
Tomorrow, Lordship, we can have it closed, Lordship. Only instructions are with the seniors, Lordship. I cannot.
We won't wait. We'll pass blanket orders of the court. Yes.
Tomorrow, Lordship, I think.
No instructions are required, my lord. These are
Lordship, may kindly have it tomorrow, Lordship.
Yes. Today is
Today's 23rd, Lordship.
we have a lot of holidays after that.
Lordship.
Second week. Well,
Second week of May. Second week of April. Yes.
34.
Yes.
Lordship, in terms of your Lordship's last order, Lordship, you were supposed to file an affidavit. It is required 2 days' time, Lordship.
No, my lord, the last order, my lord, indicated, my lord, that she may be allowed to file a short affidavit, my lord. That is the
Where's MS?
To the letter we had produced.
Lordship, she has some personal difficulties. I'll bring after a week, Lordship.
Mr. Emanuel submits that a person out of this court, though allowed to file short affidavit, the same could not be filed due to unavoidable circumstances. He please not allowed a week further time. Yes. Over.
Item number 1.
8, please, Your Lordship.
Yes. Where's Mr. Day?
Your Lordship, may I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I put about 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Why?
We are not ready, Your Lordship.
Ready for what? Today is for the appearance of whom? With audition.
We have some personal difficulties, Your Lordship.
Difficulty is fine. Who is appearing for the respondents 3, 3 and 4?
I'm appearing.
You're for the Assam police?
Yes.
Yes. Are you aware of the matter? Please come this side, yeah?
Yes, my lord.
You are Mr.
D.K. Sharma.
1 second.
There are 3 respondents, my lord. R3 Director General of Police, Guwahati, my lord. R3A1 is Director Geology and Mining.
1 second, 1 second.
And R4 is Commissioner of Taxes, Guwahati, my lord.
1 second. R3?
R3 is Director General of Police, Guwahati,
1
Assam.
second. DGP, then R3A?
Capital A, Director Geology and Mining, Assam.
Okay.
And R4 is, my lord, Commissioner of Taxes, Guwahati, Assam.
Okay. Yes, you are appearing for?
I am appearing for mainly, my lord, respondent number 3, Director General of Police, Assam, my lord. And so far the Director, my lord, Director of Geology and Mining, Government of Assam, I think they do not have any role to play.
Why?
My lord, because my lord, the allegations and the averment made in the PIL, there are nothing against my lord, Department of Geology and Mining.
See this, Mr. Ahmed, yes. The second matter. Okay. Yes. See, there's a report filed by the Assam police.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
And so they were also arrayed as party respondents, and so it's been filed by affidavit. So that is why the question still remains, no regard to the origin of the coal and the report that was generated by the Assam police. So we needed clarity on that. Okay. That's the only thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what do you have to say?
My lord, one report, perhaps it is not on the record, but you may kindly see.
Yes. Yes, please, kindly. I don't know which one is it. This is 2023.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
It was, and so far that my lord, fake my lord billing is concerned, that I have annexed all these documents in the earlier affidavit filed by us, my lord. And because of my lord stay order in a criminal petition passed by the Honorable Guwahati High Court, we cannot proceed further
with this matter.
In this matter, because there is a stay order in operation, which we have stated in our affidavit.
My lord, if I assist, your lordship, the matter can be resolved in 5 minutes, my lord. If I can assist, my lord, kindly see the prayer of the petitioner, my lord. Those prayers have been
No, wait, let's see that. Let us see the affidavit first. This is, it was filed on 24. It was filed on 16/2/2023.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord. And I have one, yes, my lord, this is the dated 16/2/2023, my lord.
Yes.
After this, and the criminal trial is because of the FIR. If your lordship will see the
What's
FIR
the stage
also.
of the matter now before the Guwahati High Court?
The interim order is extension. The matter was listed last on 21 to 2025. An interim order was, my lord, extended pending for my
There's
lord.
one filed by Jaima Cole.
My lordship, if I may please, my lordship,
Yes.
after this affidavit on 31st May 2023, I filed an affidavit against the affidavit and report filed by the state of Assam, my lordship.
Where did you file it? You filed a criminal petition for quashing.
My lordship, in 2022 itself. And after
So their
hearing-
interim orders operating. So their submission is that they can't proceed with investigation or because of the
my lordship,
interim order.
Yes.
My lordship, if I have very well filed affidavits where I have shown that despite the stay order, the investigation continued till 2023. Although the stay was granted in August 2022 after 5 months of extensive hearing of.
That doesn't matter. We're not bothered about that.
Yes,
Because we want actually want to bring a closure to the matter. I think is that because what was happened last time was that he said that after the Assam police said that there's no possibility of Jaima coal trading such a huge quantity of coal because of the ban of 2014, and also it's not possible Beltola except some Nagaland. So that was the only thing that troubled the court was that how are you trading such a huge amount of coal when that coal is not available in Beltola as per the investigation of the Assam police?
My lordship, kindly if you may pursue the affidavit filed by me on 31st May 2023. There, by the way of RTI from the Assam government, I have proved by the way that more than 200 racks were loaded during the same period in which we traded the coal. It is during the same period, my lordship. The court was only concerned that was coal available during that time or not. Was coal available during that time or not?
Your lordship may not require to go into this factual.
Yes, no, we just what was his submission?
My lordship, even in the compilation.
1 second, Mr. Bhama. Let's what is Advocate General have to say?
Just hold on for a second.
Yes.
Kindly see, my lord, prayer in PIL 8 at page 53, my lord.
Where's Mr. Deb, Mr. Day?
Because I went through the all records to understand. So 5 years history, my lord. So
yes, you have to bring closure to this matter.
Yes,
It's in lower court, your lordship. They are in lower court.
It never made a submission. The highest court gets the precedence of the High Court.
Just we have evidence, your lordship.
Don't make that submission. Yes. Yes, where?
Yes, kindly see page 53 of PIL 8, my lord.
Yes.
Now, if your lordship will see, the direction is issue after 4 lines from top, my lord. Issue rule calling upon respondent to so call as to why appropriate action efforts have not been taken by respondent authorities against illegal coal business of Messrs. Jaima Coal Private Limited, and after causes being shown, here the parties direct the respondent by prayer A, recall, withdraw permission to export wide order dated 29/4/22 and other subsequent order by respondent Deputy Commissioner, South Garo Hills, District Meghalaya in favor, Independent Commission of Inquiry Agency to immediately conduct proper assessment verification, direct the concerned authority not to allow the export of coal of Jaima until proper inquiry and verification, direct the concerned authority to auction standard dumped coal in Gaswapada, as per direction, direct the Chief Secretary of Government of Meghalaya to lodge FIR, etc. My lord. Now, pursuant to this prayer, my lord, prayers are directed against the state government, my lord, that the state should take action. What we have done, my lord, if I can show one affidavit, my lord, of 4th July 2023, my lord, that is the 4th July 2023 affidavit. If lordship will see this affidavit, all prayers have been satisfied, my lord, so far as this PIL is concerned. And your lordship will kindly see paragraph. We have now SOP
4th July 2023.
2023, my lord. 4th
July.
July 2023.
There's no affidavit 4th July.
Because matter has as such not proceeded there.
12 July, okay.
Because, yes, Lord. Now kindly.
One second.
Do you have extra copy of that affidavit? May I peruse?
Yes.
Lordship, kindly come to page 11, paragraph 26.
May I peruse?
No, page 616.
Page is in the page paragraph 26, my lord, page 11, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
It is submitted that similarly on administrative level also assistance is being extended to the state of Assam by way of illustration in respect of transportation of coal from outside the state intended to be transported to Bangladesh. State government has framed Meghalaya Mineral Prevention of Illegal Transportation and Storage Rule 2023 under section 23C of Mines and Mineral Act to prevent such illegal activities of mining and transportation. In order to ensure that no further illegal mining and transportation of coal take place in the state of Meghalaya, has also prepared and notified a standard operating procedure for checking illegal mining and illegal transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya. I recently returned to so-and-so requesting. So, my lord, the standard operating procedure is now in place because in 2023, my lord. Now, so far as the grievance of the petitioner,
the main grievance is regarding him not being able to trade and the origin of the coal. That's all.
That's all. So that has been taken care of by SOP, my lord. That has been addressed. So
how will SOP take care of that?
SOP are twofold, my lord. One, now their grievance was that there was no standard operating procedure regulating the export of coal from outside Meghalaya to Bangladesh, my lord, or to any other place. That is one. Secondly, action against Jama coal trader, my lord. We have registered the FIR. Criminal cases are pending. Criminal cases are being tried, my lord. And Jama trader is facing the cases in the criminal trial, my lord. So in PIL, my lord, whether the accused is guilty or not, that cannot be decided, my lord, with respect. And that will be decided in the criminal matter. So we have already taken, my lord, FIRs have been registered against and the coal has also been seized and auction proceeding has also been initiated, my lord, against this, my lord. So therefore, nothing, so far as the prayer in the PIL is concerned, nothing survived, my lord. And it is not in dispute that the respondent is not facing criminal trial.
What about the order of the court? They're not allowed to trade. Does this mean grievance that they're not allowed to trade in coal anymore?
No, my lord. To that extent, my submission would be, my lord.
How
will have to take it.
How would the prayer be answered? Because the petitioners are direct concerned authority not to allow the export of coal by Mr. Jaima Court until proper inquiry verification of those completed by an independent agency. And they are able and the this respondent have not been able to show also where the origin of coals come from. There might be given 60 invoices.
There will be two possible things, my lord. One is that there can be no indefinite ban. Ban has to be in accordance with law, my lord. So far as the allegation against the private respondent is concerned, my lord, that is being tried.
So the government is actively, supporting the case of the.
No, I'm not supporting.
That they should be allowed to.
No, my lord, I'm not. I should not be misunderstood to say that I'm supporting, my lord. Not at all, my lord. I'm not supporting the case. What the two facts which I am placing, my lord, two facts are that we have got a standard operating procedure which was not in place when this was going on, my lord. Secondly, this private entity, whatever law has to take its own course, my lord. These are the two submissions which I am for closure of the PIL, my lord. Otherwise, we can await the outcome of investigation by Assam Police against Jama coal traders, and then thereafter, my lord, we can take up the matter.
See, but the letter of Assam Police says otherwise. You see. There's no possibility of a huge quantity of coal being traded. Yes.
If I may, my lordship, if my affidavit of 31st may be taken care of, just a small request. The affidavit filed by me on 31st May,
okay, we'll have a look at it.
I'll tell you the picture.
No issue. 31st May.
664 of the compilation. page number 664 of the compilation, my lordship.
This is your compilation?
Yes, my lordship. No, no, not my compilation, by the petitioner. Compilation by the petitioner.
Yes.
Copy point है compilation copy point.
Page 660?
Page 677. Page number 677.
Yes.
I don't have received any compilation.
Yes, my lordship. It's a RTI reply.
Can you give it copy to me?
Yes.
RTI reply from the Northeast Frontier Railway, and there on, my lordship, the months are mentioned on the second page, 678. There are the details of coal which has been loaded from Assam, Northeast Frontier Railway from Assam, from different stations. The only question that was put forth before the Assam government by the Honorable Court during that time was that was coal available for trading for JAMA during that period of time in which we traded the coal. We traded the coal basically in December, January 2022, February 2022 and March 2022, my lordship. And the entire RTI here highlights the rack loaded during the same period. So, my lordship, whatever the Assam government has stated that yes, Meghalaya coal was not available during that time in Assam. They have surveyed that was Meghalaya coal available or not available during that time. So, my lordship, this blows out the entire investigation report which they have stated in their report, that there was no coal, there was no feasibility of us to trade coal in open markets in Assam. The entire, these racks have been loaded from the open markets in Assam itself, my lordship. Through RTI, I have taken this. They have not given the GST data which I have collected on my behest, whatever I could take on my thing. And my lordship, on page 697, my lordship, I have also annexed the survey which they did was very wrong survey which they put forth before the persons there out in Assam. I have clipped, I have attached the audio clipping of the entire survey, my lordship, by the way of CD. The entire conversation is transcribed over here, my lordship. Page 697 of the report.
I can't make out what this says.
My lordship, my only, the report which the Assam government is claiming after that report, I filed this affidavit. There was no counter to that affidavit, in which I have stated very specifically that the entire allegation which they are putting forth that there was no coal available in Assam in 2022, I have belied them, my lordship.
Yes. Okay, take down. Sorry, Mr.
D.K. Sharma, my lord.
D.K. Sharma, the council is present today on behalf of the Resort number 3 DGP of Government of Assam, and submits that due to, but you have to kindly provide the details of the case, due to the proceeding before the Guwahati High Court, where there are interim orders operating. The investigation has ceased temporarily. The Learned Council has also produced a communication dated 16th May 2023, wherein what has also already been noticed by the court earlier in the affidavit filed by the DGP Assam, reiteration of the fact that at that relevant point of time, there was no possibility of dealing with such huge quantity of coal. You don't have this letter, right? You have given copies of the letter
I have
today. Then you have to give to the
I don't know.
letter. Yes. No. Not enter the parent is present. Yes. Affidavit filed by the DGP has been reiterated with regard to the with regard to indeed huge quantity of coal. Stop. The Learned Advocate General has, however, submitted that the PIL can be closed in view of the fact that an SOP is already in place to deal with the manner of trade and manner of what SOP says.
My lord, SOP for regulating
SOP,
the coal export of coal.
That the state government has framed the Meghalaya minerals within bracket prevention of illegal mining, transportation and storage, whose bracket rules 2022. Top. However, a prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of the PIL petitioner, whose counsel are not available due to personal difficulty. Stop. In dispute with the matter, this court directs that the letter dated 16 May 2023, along with details of the orders passed by the High Court, be furnished on the next date, and attempts be made to put a closure to the present PIL. When do you want it listed?
Next week, it's okay, Your Lordship.
Next week is okay, but then you should not make assumption that they are in the lower court. You understand? You're a young lawyer, so you say that the High Court, the highest court in the state, so they have to give priority to the High Court. Yes.
Copy of compilation I have not received, my lord. If my lord that is
Yes,
provided,
copy
that
compilation also to write it to Mr. Sharma. Learned Counsel Correspondent number 3. List on. You take the date, but will be after 2 weeks. Yes.
Item number 2.
if it, my lord, date will be any date on Monday, my lord. That will
be. But you please be present, because we have not said anything about origin. We will try to close it by some fixing some kind of let the PIL petitioner come.
My lord.
If you are here, we might have been able to close it also.
Number 2.
It's a connected matter, my lord. It's a connected.
This is
Again, champion from.
This is Weybridges.
Away bridges, which is all
Transportation.
Transportation, yes.
We've been wrongly impleaded as totally false case against this.
Against?
Against Coal India.
Even
Respondent 6.
But have you filed affidavit?
We filed an affidavit, no reply.
Next week, Your Lordship.
We'll list together.
Let's be together.
Let's be trouble unnecessary.
Did it to be there, sir?
Just stop being trouble unnecessary, Mr. Ahmed. Yes. This is matter. Adjournment is prayed by so and so on behalf of the petitioner. Stop this together on same date.
Obliged, Lordship.
Main PIL rule.
1 to